me, I say, whoa. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is gonna be something a little special. Now it's not like I got this idea from one of my favorite YouTubers, Tana Mojo. She did the Euphoria makeup for a week, and I was all like, I want to do that, but like I had seen that video like a while ago.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
But I had never seen the actual TV show Euphoria. So 3 days ago, I binge watched that bitch to like 11 o'clock in the morning. Almost past, actually not even at 11 o'clock, like past 11 o'clock in the morning, binge watching it. Like honestly, one of the best decisions of my life. Was it okay for my like mental well-being and like my health to stay up that late? No, it was not, but it was all worth it. So if you haven't seen the show Euphoria, you should honestly watch it because I am obsessed. So I'm gonna start this today on Thursday, May 7th, which means I will finish it today, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Before I get on with this video, don't forget to like this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe because you get to join the adventures with Yaya and you don't want to miss out on that. Like when it comes to my mind, I do it. So you're just going to see like a whole bunch of random stuff. My channel is not specifically geared towards any topic. It's just whatever pops in my head. All the different lightings that are on my face right now are like driving me crazy. There's like that. And then there's a light from right there. Ugh. But yeah, so let's get on with the video. Okay, so, oh my god. Nobody doesn't help at all. Today's makeup look will be inspired by this. I'm gonna try to recreate that. I tried recreating that like a few weeks ago, but it didn't work out. Maybe because I like wasn't really trying. So hopefully it actually works out this time. But yeah, if you don't know who that is, that's the character Maddy. Like out of everyone on the TV show who does their makeup, Maddy's is like low-key probably my favorite. Can I like scooch back? I'm like literally writing. I'm literally dick writing my like makeshift tripod. Okay, so as you can see, like I'm not gonna like go like full out with my eyebrows, like because her character does not have like full on batty eyebrows. It's like natural. So we're not really gonna fill them in today. We're gonna fill them in, but like not how I normally do. So okay, so I didn't film myself like actually filling in my eyebrows because that would have been like way too much work. Like you can't even totally like really fill them in, but we're just gonna like I put too much. There's too much eyebrow gel. Can I get paid in the chat?
Stupid.
I'm like, yeah. No, wait. Can I get a pid in the comment section? Like, if you made it this far without clicking off. That voice crack. If you made it this far without clicking off, because, like, you know, I'm hella boring. Like, no one watches my YouTube videos. Because I see the watch time. And, like, most people, like, I see the watch time of my YouTube videos. And no one really stays on. So if you made it this far, can I get a pid in the comment section below? Okay. What the fuck am I looking for? Oh. Now it's time for my favorite part of this look, and that's actually that is not the favorite that is actually not my favorite part of the video. That is actually not my favorite part of the makeup look. My favorite part is when I get to bedazzle my fucking face. I get to fucking throw rhinestones on this hoe.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Okay, what's up, you guys? As you can see here, I applied a light pink color from my crease to my lid as the transition color. And what's up, you guys? It's voiceover Asia because, like, I didn't think to, like, tell you guys what I did at this part. So, here's a little voiceover. Hi. Okay, that's it. Okay, so right here, you're gonna want to take, like, a darker pink, but not too dark, like, in the middle. You're gonna want to put that on your lid to kind of like contrast that light to darkness on your eyeshadow. Like, ooh, gonna be looking all cute and shit. But yeah, that's what you're gonna do to achieve this look. So I figured out what I was gonna do for my little wing, but I did not film it because I forgot. So I guess I will film myself doing this one this time. So here we go. Okay, before I tell you guys what I'm doing, could we just admire how confused I am trying to look for my eyeshadow brush I use for this? Yeah, I couldn't find it, and like I was struggling, but I found it. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take a angled brush or like a small like detailed brush or whatever, and then you're gonna take the darkest pink you can find. Like if you have to mix it in with another darker color to make it dark, then do that. And when you do that, make sure you take that color and you like pack it on so it can be visible, like it can be noticeable, because low key that's one of the most important parts of this look. So yeah, I have did my little wing status or whatever. Now it's time for me to put on my mascara. I'm gonna do that off camera, so we'll be right back. Okay, what is up? I'm back. I put like my mascara on because you know your girl don't wear falsies, so she has to like buy some like high quality mascara and like layer it, but like not layer it to the point where it's like it looks like there's like that it looks like clumpy and shit, but like layered good enough that like it looks like good. You know what I mean? But like yeah. Okay, so now probably the most not the most challenging part, but my what's about to be my favorite part is the rhinestones. Now yesterday I went to Target and I bought a liquid the fuck is it? I bought the eyelash glue. I bought eyelash glue for this specific occasion. I spent $6 on this. I went to the hella dollar store, so I cannot spend $6 on this for me not even to wear fake lashes. But that was the only option I had, so I bought it. So yeah, now it's time for me to apply these gems. See, I went through a bedazzling phase when I was younger, so I have hella rhinestones, and then I used to be really into doing my nails, so I have this. But we're not gonna use any colored ones. We're just gonna use straight silver rhinestones because that is what the picture is. I'm gonna put up a picture on my laptop that I have sitting right next to me. So I need one at the tip, one up here, two down here, and then 1, 2, 3 right there. So we're just gonna do that real quick and you guys are gonna watch and hopefully it turns out right. So let's get started. Okay, so literally I sat here, went through with these tweezers this bag, picked out 7 rhinestones. That's close to the end, right? Or should I have put it farther down? Ouch. Ew. But okay, we applied the first rhinestone. Okay, sis, go the fuck. I'm gonna put that right there because you see the black dot on that one for real. Okay, time lapse because this is gonna take me forever. Or actually, I'm gonna just skip this part. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I have fully like bedazzled my face. Like, oh my gosh, can I like, you see this and you see this? Like, my eyebrows don't look like hers, but like, this is the look. Honestly, like, I think I did a pretty good job of replicating it, if I do say so myself, because I'm very into makeup. So this was low-key actually kind of fun. I have to like, I get like, my hands are sticky from the freaking eyelash glue because applying this was not fun. I think in total this took me like 20 minutes, like in total, maybe more, to do this, and I have fun. So yeah, this is the eyeshadow look for today. Tomorrow will be something completely different. Who knows, maybe I won't have rhinestones on this time. Maybe I'll have like glitter. Who knows, you know? But stay tuned if you really want to see the next one. I don't know if I'm going to do this like one whole video or if I'm gonna separate it up. I think I might just do like one whole video, or maybe separate, because I'm recording this on my iPhone and I don't want to run out of space. So, and yeah, I think I'm gonna do this like, yeah, I'm gonna do it separate. This is day 1. Tomorrow, day 2 will be up, hopefully, if I can keep it up. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, what is up? I forgot to mention this at the end of the video because I was just trying to like get it, film the outro, but I forgot to mention that if you guys really like enjoyed this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you guys like want to see more videos like this, just let me know by liking it and letting me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I had fun filming this and I hope you guys had fun watching it. So I will see you next time.